How to add grid lines on iPhone camera. To get started, first of all open up the Settings app on your phone. Once you're here, go to Camera. This is the camera settings page. Here, you can adjust various settings like photo resolution, video recording options, and preserve settings to customize your camera experience. Over here, scroll down to the composition section. Then, turn on the grid feature as shown. Now, go back and open up the camera application. As you can see, the grid lines will now appear on your camera screen. This way, you get more control over your experience with the camera and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily add grid lines on iPhone camera. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.